What if I told you that everything you've been chasing, success, power, freedom, has been right in front of you this whole time, but you've been too distracted to see it? Most people never figure this out. They wake up, scroll their phones, drink the same coffee, complain about the same things, and wonder why their life isn't changing. But you're here, and that means you're different. Today, I'm about to show you something that will shift the way you think forever. And it all starts with this: relationships. Wait. Before you roll your eyes and say, I'm here for success, not relationship advice, let me hit you with some facts. Every great leader, every billionaire, every game changer on this planet has one thing in common. They know how to build relationships that make them unstoppable. Step 1. The art of filtering your circle. Let me ask you something. Who's in your circle? Are they building you, or are they quietly tearing you down? If you've ever told someone your dream and they hit you with a, I don't know, bro, you might be dealing with a level 10 dream killer. Get rid of them. Your circle should be full of people who push you to be better. If they don't upgrade your circle or downgrade your expectations, simple. Step 2. The hidden power of giving more than you take. Most people think networking is about what they can get. That's why they fail. Real power comes from giving before you take. Help people win and watch how fast you start winning too. Ever notice how the guy who buys drinks at the bar is suddenly everyone's best friend? Human psychology is wild, man. Step 3. Learning to walk away. Some of you are holding on to toxic relationships like they're Pokemon cards. Let them go. But we've been friends for 10 years. Yeah, and you've been stuck for 10 years too. Coincidence? Listen, the relationships you build today will determine where you stand 5 years from now. That's not a guess, that's a fact. So, are you gonna keep playing small? Or are you ready to build a network that makes you unstoppable? The choice is yours. And hey, speaking of powerful connections, let's talk about something special. Shout out to today's sponsor, www.mobilewashonwheels.co.za, the best in the game when it comes to keeping your ride looking fresh. And because you're part of the Alpha Blueprint family, I've got a deal for you. If you are in Johannesburg North, refer 5 people to subscribe to Alpha Blueprint and you'll get a free machine polish wash. Yeah, free. So hit that subscribe button, share this with 5 people and claim your reward. Simple. Alright Alphas, this is your time. If you're serious about mastering success, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure you are locked in for the next one. And remember, your network is your net worth. Choose wisely.